Click to open the sidebar and then select Locker. Click to access the Locker Rubrics tab. All the rubrics used by you will be listed here. Click the Create New Rubric button to create a new rubric. Enter the required title and its description. By default, a sample criterion is added to the rubric. Change its details as per your requirement. You can add more scales to a criterion. If required, you can clone a criterion and edit it accordingly. To allot score to the criterion scales, you can make a rubric as a scoring rubric. You can then edit the score of the scales as per your requirement to change the overall score of the rubric. Tick the Share with Rubric Bank checkbox to share this rubric with the rubric bank. Rubrics shared with rubric bank can be reused by other instructors for grading.